She's got a shot of Patron, and she's all alone. Tell me why this is. You too fly for this. With a body like damn. Shorty's really going ham. Time to get in my zone to get shorty back to my home. Excuse me, Miss Fly, I've been peeping you all night. I was wondering if I can keep you company too.
What's going down, everybody? This is your boy Kyle Sonata Mason. Right now, I just want to quickly share a little something with y'all. Starting today, I will periodically be doing little videos here and there, giving y'all a little taste of me and get to interact and get to know me a little bit better. Again, the name is Kyle Sonata Mason. Right now, you may know me from my smash single that's hitting that radio right now called Back of My Cadillac. So stay tuned, and I hope y'all enjoy yourselves on this journey with me, because it's definitely about to go down. So, NCNT, Pamco, Kyle Sonata Mason, be in there. Again, stay tuned. I'll let you know.